Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'll walk you through a simple beginner's guide to using Mem AI and show you how it can upgrade the way you take notes and organize your ideas. Mem AI is an intelligent note-taking and knowledge management tool designed to help you capture thoughts, organize information automatically, and find what you need instantly with the power of AI. Instead of manually sorting everything into folders, Mem does the heavy lifting for you. To get started in 2025, simply create an account and begin writing notes right away, or import your existing content. Mem feels like a combination of a document editor and a second brain. As you add notes, it automatically organizes them by topics, tags, and dates, no manual filing required. You can also connect tools like Google Calendar, Gmail, and Slack to bring in useful information directly into Mem. This makes it easier to keep everything in one place without constantly switching apps. One of the most powerful features is the AI search. You can ask questions in plain English, and Mem will scan your stored notes to generate answers based on your own content. It also suggests related ideas and highlights connections between notes, helping you see patterns you might have missed. Mem is especially helpful for students, content creators, researchers, and teams who want a clean, searchable knowledge system without the clutter of traditional folders. If you're looking for a tool that helps you think more clearly and stay organized effortlessly, Mem AI is definitely worth trying in 2025. That's all for today's guide. Let me know in the comments what you think about Mem AI, and I'll see you in the next video.